Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is a little bit of a different video. I don't know, I'm just kind of doing whatever. Like I said, my channel is a mixture of things. But today I'm gonna be cleaning the interior of my car. And I don't know if I'm gonna be cleaning the interior of the other cars at my house. Maybe if I don't have that much trash in my car, I might go ahead and clean the other cars as well. But yeah, I'm gonna be cleaning the interior. Just basically that's it. So hope you enjoyed the video. Let's get into it. Alright guys, let's get started. So I've got my keys here to open up my car and a trash bag to go ahead and do that. As well as, I don't know where I left my sprays. Here they are. I've got a towel to clean off the windows and the interior, and just a spray to clean up the car in the interior as well. So let's get started. Hopefully it doesn't rain because that would be really annoying. And yes, I know my car is super dirty on the outside, but I might do a separate video on that. But today's not the day to clean the car. It is kind of late, and I also think it's going to be raining soon. So yeah, let's just get into here. Let me just put my phone in here so that I know that I'm filming everything good. All right, so we've got our trash bag here. Let us put these keys right here. Let's get started first. hope you enjoyed this video. Smash the like button if you liked it. As you can see, I almost finished, but Florida started to rain on me, so got a little bit complicated there, but I'm glad to have cleaned at least the interior of the cars and have gotten to the trash. That's mostly what this video is going to be about, just kind of getting through the trash. Hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry that the rain ruined the video, but see you guys next time. Bye!